Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Pal of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Warhammer Quest Curse City update. As per usual with all these videos, if you like them, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment down below. It is greatly appreciated. Now, without further ado, it's Thursday, so of course there is a new Warhammer Curse City update, and this one is a new villain that is entering the arena and will be in the box game to come. So of course last week we met the hero Qualthis, the exile, who is seeking to lift the curse upon Orphan, but today we are going to meet Torgilius, the Chamberlain, a so-called scholar performing depraved necromantic experiments to raise more warriors for the Orphan Watch. Orphan was once home to the Brotherhood of Sepulchrists known as the Pact Mortalis. Torgilius was a member of their order, but turned his back on them, taking their research into gravesand phylacteries and throwing his lot in with vampires that came to rule the city. The Chamberlain's knowledge of gravesand means that his master can now deflect wounds that would otherwise destroy him, making Torgilius one of the most trusted men in the Curse City. He has also developed the ability to project his will into the diseased vermin in the city, allowing him to spy upon the populace. While Torgilius usually prefers to dispatch lesser beings to fetch him his subjects for his experiments, he will occasionally venture out into the city to choose his own. Any who stand in his way suffer the full might of his dark magic. So, Torgilius is a cool looking model, in all honesty. He's got a few animals with him as well, which just makes it kind of stand out a little bit more, having that crow, a rat, a bat and a cat, which, you know, is quite a menagerie of animals there, isn't it really? And he is quite sinister looking, really, isn't he? So very different model to have, pretty cool looking, and should be really good fun to paint this guy. And he has some other information as well, so on the actual Curse City website, which points out that he dwells in the ancient scholars' hall of Barrowmark, which he has transformed into a charnel house and laboratory for his depraved necromantic experiments, and Torgilius sees and hears all. So not only is he a wizard, a mage and a necromancer of sorts, he is also a bit of a spy, or a spy master at least. So pretty decent, pretty cool looking model, and you know, it's nice to see another villain and a bit of a different villain as well. So we've already seen Gorslav, the Gravekeeper, who is pretty damn cool and looks really cool, and we've seen good old Watch Captain Helgrim, the captain of the Orphan Watch, which is pretty cool as well, and being part of a death rattle essentially. And now we have Torgilius as well. So we have two main villains to be revealed still, which will be pretty cool. And then we also have 6 of the heroes to be revealed as well out of the 8, which, you know, so we've got a little bit of a wait. So I reckon, from the looks of it, with that kind of information, considering they're revealing a bit week by week, I've got a feeling we're looking 10 weeks, maybe a little bit longer, before we get the actual box game, which is a shame. I'd like it sooner rather than later, but I reckon it'll be out May, maybe the end of May by the time we receive it, hopefully a bit earlier if we're lucky, but who knows. They updated the map slightly as well, so now it has the shield that is to the left of the main castle in the map on their website that has been revealed, which is Barrowmark itself, the corrupted hall of learning, and now the domain of Torgilius. So there is some pretty cool little bits as well. I reckon we've got some really good stuff coming up, and of course we're going to see some more vampires. So Soul Blight are definitely coming to the mortal realms, and to kind of hang around in Shyish and everything like that and cause a lot of trouble, which will fit into the fact that the Soul Blight are coming to the mortal realms in the future, near future as well, not only with that warband for Underworlds, but there was also going to be a full army set at some point as well, which I've got a weird feeling are going to be revealed this weekend, which will be really, really cool. I'm going to be looking out for that, so keep an eye out for an update around them. But otherwise, thank you very much for watching and dropping by, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye now.